Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing retirees and expats as possible priority travel groups. And what are we talking about? Well, look, it's no secret that Thailand's tourism industry is really in bad shape. We've discussed this at length to the point where I kind of don't even like talking about it anymore. But, you know, I'm trying to make this video to provide some insight to those who are looking to travel into Thailand in the future. And I personally think, based on some of the, for lack of a better term, just kind of gauging the wind, if you will, I think retirees and expats are probably going to be viewed moving forward, at least in the immediately foreseeable future, and by that I mean the next 1 to 2 years, as pretty hot commodity. If they're not, I think they should be, but I do really believe officials here in Thailand, both in the tourism sector and in immigration, can truly see at this point that the economic benefit from these folks is pretty tremendous. And they would really probably be, or should be, warmly welcomed back to Thailand or to come to Thailand sooner rather than later. Now, presently, there are those whose public health concerns are sort of outweighing this, but I think at some point in the relatively near future, we're going to see a sea change with respect to the paradigm at immigration and within the rest of the government. They're definitely, I think, going to want to get things reopened. They definitely want to get tourists back. But I also think they definitely want to see expats and retirees because they certainly bring in money to the country as well. So hopefully, sooner rather than later, we will see expats and retirees sort of be prioritized, if you will. And that may happen in various ways, most notably, you know, like with retirees, I could see maybe not being quite so stringent with application of the rules would help to encourage folks to be here. Meanwhile, among expats, we've seen certain movements, certain discussions occurring, committees talking about things in the immigration sector that would encourage people to live here in Thailand, notwithstanding the fact they may not be over 50 years old and thereby be able to get a retirement visa. I think that's pretty good news, and hopefully we will see further developments to this end in the relatively near future.